naman, in the years working together, what is your favorite thing about Belle and the other way around? Okay, so what's your favorite thing about Belle?
Isip or grabe ng flashback lahat ng moment natin. Nagpaggaan tayo sa kalsada. Dave tsaka Max. Nalala mo yun?
Nag-basketball pa ako.
Ibang-iba pa yung tsura natin.
Nag-billiards tayo doon, dito nagsisurfing tayo.
Favorite thing about Belle?
Can I start? Can I answer first? Sorry. I thought of something. I think it's just so nice that I'm able to try new things with you. Such as I learned billiards with you. I learned surfing with you. So, siguro natutuwa ako na but my favorite thing about you is you're so game with anything. Yes.
Ako naman, you always find a way to kind of reinvent yourself, you know? Hindi kasi madali yung after one project, we do another project, and then you have to think about how do you make this character different. Kasi minsan pag nagiging sobrang komportable kami sa isa't isa, baka same lang yung atake namin sa Isinter, dapat di ba ibang level naman of Don Bell yung makikita nila. So, Belle is always trying to do things that will portray something else in her character and her craft. And sobrang nakikita ng lahat yun. Ito nga, di ba, if you could see her sa Incognito, tapos makita mo dito sa How to Spot, sobrang iba yung characters na kaya-kaya niyang gawin yun. So, ayun, that's probably one big one.
Not to mention yung mga may concerts pa si Belle,
Yes,
di
of
ba?
course.
May mga releases pa siya ng mga singles niya. So, makita mo talaga yung versatility. And also, I just wanna make mention, yung maturity niyo din from, you know, the very first season to her up to now. Grabe na rin. Ilang years na yun?
Siguro,
6?
Yes, more, 5.
Really?
Ano,
Kasi kailan ba tayo nag-go-see? 2019?
2019, oo, 6 years.
Nag-show yung pandemic.
5, 6
Siguro
years.
mga five.
Wow.
Yeah.
Feels like a lifetime.
And we want to thank all the supporters who are watching right now, who's been with us from the very start. Maraming salamat. Grabe rin yung support nila sa amin.
Grabe ha, nagkwentuhan tayo. Yung eroplano, yung meron silang
Yes.
signage.
Tapos, yeah, and then yung
The
sa
bridge,
and then yung
the
sa boat
LEDs
pa.
and the billboards. Grabe ha.
Mural pa sila sa Baguio,
Mural,
diba?
yeah.
Grabe ang effort. Speaking of supporters, trending na kayo ngayon. First 5 trending topics.
Wow!
Sa X platform, kayo ay trending yung Matcha, Grand Mediacon, ang ating mga hashtags, and of course, Donnie Pangilinan as Man and Belle Mariano as Cha. Grabe! Wala akong masabi. Next question.